CRWD, cold. NBTR, FND.
So June 29th on the SPY.
NERV, BAC, ACL, CU, BZH,
The SPX.
XPOF, Bind, MDB, DFAX,
For today,
TMHC, BNRC, NCLH, NCLH, NCLH,
the 4380 so far.
BZH, JPM, SQ, Snow, EXTR, DIS, X, RDSW, SRTY, EBIX, M, Gooksel, ENTH, DDRGASA, NERV, NERVGT, CXAI, QS, NERV, NERV, UPST, NERV, EP, Hive, AMZN, EPD, AZ,
NDX is bouncing up off that support.
CUK,
NDX.
ACL, GNRC, NFLX, BRTX, DDOG, GNRC, DDRG, AA, BA, JMLH, Oxy, MRO, WY,
Be hard to buy a contract. Not much volume.
CCL,
Jimmy will wait.
MPAA,
I'd rather trade the SPX right now with the volume.
SQ, AVAB, DDIG, AGI,
This is the 4380 strike. We got a J hook off three black crows. Tesla pulled back to support at 250.10. Could be a little bit higher than that.
GTLB,
You could call it right there at 250. Come on.
MPAA, CRM,
Freezing on me here.
AIXI, NZF, MDGL, IMUX,
This really
BCC,
sucks.
MDB,
Right there.
ORCL,
250.15.
JOCC, MRL, MJA, Oxy, Joby, AABL,
Joby is on the scanner. Joby, Joby.
GMHC, Alto, IMPAA, IMUX, MPAA, IMUX, LZH, Joby, MDB,
Joby announced to receive a permit that allows the company to do something.
BKTX, ACHR, BZH, Gooksel, BZH, DGOG,
To fly first aircraft built in production line. So that's huge for Joby.
Joby, BCC,
Received aircraft built in the pilot production line in California.
DBA, ASAN, TSRA, TDOC, PLTR, BZH Shop, BZH, BAC, EBZH, AMBZH, DRVH, T, ORCL, NET.
This is a big deal for the billionaires
TCD,
and the millionaires. Ever since Kobe lost his
JPM.
life.
TMHC, SBUX, GMCD, UPST,
This is called Joby.
TMHC, GMHC,
Oh, no video today? There will be.
SYK, TECL, TMHC, AAL, ENPH, BZH, REAI, BZH, HD, EHPT, BZH, Joby RM, IBP, BZH, LMB, ASAN,
We got Joby on the line here.
ATOS, BDTOS, at
Joby's got a 20
SRM,
triple
at
top
DOB,
high at 803.
MDV,
So you can get another 50 cents out of it for triple top.
RTL, RCL, AMZN,
And 753 for a resistance.
ATOS,
And we're gonna,
MBAX,
I don't know,
GME,
I'm gonna have to say 722 and then a bottom line support.
JLG,
Just under 7.
MTEK, Joby, DDOG, DDOG, Joby, MCD,
Here goes Tesla.
BCC, 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 MPAA,
Got Tesla.
PGX, SYLT,
The SPX is at 330 now. This is the 4380 strike. And we gotta break the 9.
Snap,
And Tesla just had 3 white soldiers.
Joby, Joby,
Pay close.
Joby.
I mean,
Joby,
I'm gonna tell you right now. This thing's on sale
NRC, IONQ,
if the numbers are true about China.
STR, NTRA, ABABC,
And then they picked up another contract for Volvo, I think, in Europe.
Joby, TTD, DVN, QS, ORCL, Site, MS, NDAX, CUK, RBLX, PIN, TSLA, ARKW, TSN, RBLX, Net,
So we'll come up to a double top on the crows,
ENPH,
and that'll be
Sophie,
resistance.
TFE,
So the opportunity,
JDST,
if we hold this here support level,
EA, DXCM,
you can grab a
AMC,
contract at 43.6442. And that might not be it. It could be
Alta.
this right here at
XOM,
43.6395.
IONQ, ET, NET, ARI, MRO,
This is real big for Tesla right now.
DKNG, TDST, QS, BCC, BCC, C,
Come on, SPX.
DLX, DRM, FNUK, NLTX, GUXC, MS,
Now here's your, there's your resistance. I just missed it.
TSLA, JPM, NET, PFE,
Jimmy's
IMTC,
bullish on
PCY,
Tesla.
Uber, NLTX, DDLG, CRM, VVR, Open, IDAI, ET, Snow, IONQ, ENPH, MTEK, Cost, BTB, Joby, JBC, JBC, BAC, MRLT, BZHU,
SPX, baby.
BZH,
May I have an offer?
BTH,
We're at 380 now from $3.
SYK, GNRC, ACIU, LACIU, Joby, BKTX, Joby, Joby, MRO, PNJDACIU, Joby, ACIU, Joby, Joby,
Glory, glory,
ACIU,
hallelujah.
MSFT,
Oh, look at that. She's going to go more. So,
EDIX,
look at these black crows. This last one was a hammer.
NTES,
The secret
Cook,
on how to trade these crows is if you got that third one has a hammer or it tightens up to become a doji or whatever. But I mean, then you got the inside candle, which is a spinning top next to it, which is a wide body, which is telling me that we got the tweezer bottoms. So we have 3 black crows with a hammer, tweezer bottom with a spinning top. Then everything about that is bullish. put that on your agenda, because right here is easy $800. These 4360s, 4380s. Now we're above the 9, which will keep me in the trade until we dip down below it, and then I might. But I mean, that's a solid support too, off the top of that first crow. Back to business.
Joby,
Joby.
Joby,
baby.
open. TBIX, GTXD, Joby, CFLT, EAMLTS, CP, MCD, TDOC, RDFN, COAOS, Joby,
Right now,
TBIX, AMKR, Joby, AMD, Joby,
we're at
NXT.
310. We're back to $3 on these
Joby.
things.
RDFN,
So now you're retesting support.
Joby, Snow Shop, RDFN, RDFN, ENBHGH, CSCO, Joby, Sim,
Okay, we're getting right here. We're at 285, 280. Now, we're going for a double bottom, higher low maybe.
SHW,
Grab some
AAL,
at 250.
ABC, APYX, Lyra,
Come on.
ZSL, SYK,
Try and get 250 off these. There's 255. There it is.
AMD,
We got 250.
Shop, KO,
I got the
Dust.
4380 calls, Lotto, SPX
CSCO.
at 250. The 4380s,
INTC, SHRWD,
and we just dropped.
MCD,
Now to my red line. Micro uncertainties,
TCN,
the market
Z,
hedge the slowdown. How dare them?
MRNA, TPET,
I got to put a stop on this if this doesn't.
MLTX,
This is my red line support right here on the
SHW,
SPX.
TBT, at XOM, BZH,
Why is it my
Dis.
support level?
AMD, MDGL,
I don't know why.
Uber, OSTK,
Oh, because it's a pivot point. We're at a pivot point area.
ABNB, SHW, Snow,
So the next drop,
AMC,
if this doesn't hold,
BKTX, ZNet,
if this spot doesn't hold right now, the next
IMOX,
drop on the SPX
CUK,
is right around 43.53.
RCL, TTLH,
with a pivot point area right in here.
TDOC, RBLX,
Put that in a red line.
GNRC,
And back to,
OSTK,
come on, break out, baby. I'm gonna put this in a bright blue line,
SHW, SF,
and that will be,
MLTX,
I don't know,
AFRM, UPS,
It could be a shoulder
RDFN, Joby,
of support.
TSLA, OSTK, NAT, IMUX, USSG, SCTL,
So we're in this at
CLU,
250.
Uber, FDX,
Anybody take this trade with me?
RDFN.
If you did, have your finger on the mouse. If we break the 9, it'll be a double top.
CSCO. EFTR. EFTR.
We're trying to find the bottom of the day. It doesn't look too good right now, but neither did yesterday.
XOM. WMT. SYK.
I mean, look at yesterday.
CRC.
These bad days here on the SPX.
AZN.
And then yesterday we had that big pop. It looked real bad into close. So now we're just kind of
BAC.
at
MRNA.
that pivot point
SBSW.
of
MLTX.
respect.
Coin. TMT.
Yeah, it can come down more. I'm going to be very careful with this trade.
MLTX. Joby. MLTX.
I mean, if Mike put your fibbies on this, well, how would you
Elf.
mark the SPX with your Fibonacci's?
ENPH. ENPH. T. DBM.
Did you go 5-day run or
BMEA. Oxy.
just that one day?
PFE.
I'm gonna let's do that.
GME. BAC. SQ. IMUX.
I can't hardly read it.
BIOC. WMT. INTC. Uber. Snow.
I'm gonna do it on the same day.
XOM. T.
So watch it
MS.
right here at the 50%, and then you got the 63 pullback to 43.54.
RDTX.
So I'm gonna hold off to the 50%, see if that's gonna be it.
TSLA. BAC. Bill. FNGU. OSLM.
Tesla.
CTSM. MDGL.
Tesla.
GNRC. U.
And I'm still in this
Xiaomi.
SPX, so
INTC. UPST. BLDR. FDX.
put that
TTWL.
50%.
KO. MDGL.
Yeah, there's your resistance right there. Both of them. Tweezer top yesterday. Right at the 50% mark.
DSCM. Z. TMBL. CHWY. TRO. ENPH. NCLH. CLEU. AMC. RKT. MLTX. NVAX. Coin. PLTR.
I'm still in the SPX.
UPST. NERV. TTD. IOMC. Bill. CHPT. Dash. U. Elf. L3 TNCLH. Pins.
Tesla.
NERV. IMUX. NERV. VVPR.
260s are looking nice. They're up more than 100% on
IMUX.
Tesla. The 260 strikes.
IMUX. NERV. IMUX, NERV, TTD, JXJT, TGT, CHPT, Sophie, KNERV, CCNERV, NERV,
Coming down for our third time now. This is going to be the test right here. So I'm going to add one contract. I'm going to add 3 at 230. So I added 3 at 230.
Free.
She said 3.
IMUX.
So we've got the triple bottom now. This is all we're waiting for, is for the boom. That's my next move, is double top,
HCA.
triple top resistance.
FDX.
We're going to
IMUX.
mark that to the body of that candle, to the body of that first candle right there.
ARCB.
See how every one of them rise? See that?
APYX.
Body, 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 body. We're going to extend that out to the right.
ABNB.
Now I got to stay in this wedge here,
RDFN. Free.
and the lowest
PLTR.
possible entry is a double bottom
Snow.
straight out.
KO. TTD.
So
Snap.
we'll know here within a
Right.
minute or two we'll break out and they'll
Free.
sell this sucker.
UPST. Bill. Plug.
So it's a triple bottom,
DT.
right?
DT. Bill. ASAMCD. OSTK.
There's the third one.
RBLX. Net.
They're all higher lows,
FNGU. NFLX.
and this is what you call an ascending triangle.
UPST. SPLK. ARCB. CHPT. Bill. Joby. Joby. NERV. 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 Joby. NERV. Joby. NERV. ARC. NERV. 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 CHW. Joby.
NERV.
DT, Uber, PLTRLL, Snap, TDOC, CRM,
Oh shit, forgot
SQSP,
250 and 230.
Joby, 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 EGSC, HRPT, OSTK, Team,
Now this is the ascending triangle right here. See it?
ASAN, GE,
If we have a pop
FND, SYK,
to the triple top,
There
we go.
ABLX,
Now look,
QS,
you're up huge on this trade right now.
AMZN,
If you took it at that triple bottom, now you're getting to the triple top, so you got to have your finger on the trigger.
OSTK, OSTK, DKNG,
And that triple top brings you to the 51, which is a double
WMB.
confirmation of a booyah.
Net,
We're at 320.
CNB,
I mean, this is nice to get 340. I mean, hell,
CLTL, GNRC,
take profit on the triple top right now.
CHWY, DXDM, Snap, ACI,
350.
ACI, OSTK,
Just where I'm heading
Sharp.
off.
EBIX,
MA. Where's Jimmy going?
SPLK, ATOS,
Give me a grade.
PLTR, CNTGM, DDOG,
I mean, that's big money right there, folks.
CM, AFRN,
Played just to the T.
NBAX.
Within 5 minutes. Over a couple grand.
Roku, Net, NCRWD,
And I didn't even look at the tape on that one. Amazing.
CCL, KO,
So you got your triple top. What do? We
DT,
we take profit.
GWH, TDOC,
Woo!
Agio, NCLH, LUXH,
That's coming back down, so where's it going to stop at?
Joby,
Can anybody tell me? To be prepared for the next trade?
Joby, DDG, Joby, SQ, CNTG, DITRB, EBIX, SRPT,
Yabba dabba do.
ASAN, Retta,
Oh, I didn't send that to you. Well, I can't show her that if I
EBTL,
didn't send it to her.
RCL, Retta, TDOC,
No video?
SOP,
Video's up now, right?
CTR, KTL, TPET, Agio,
Overhead resistance at
EBTL,
4373.
GBTL, Snow,
Yep, that's what I
EBTL.
got. I got 4373.96. So we're right on.
EBTL, SBTL,
I have 43.
WMB,
73.06.
Roku, AFRM,
But I'm out of the trade at the
WMBT.
triple top. Booyah.
EBIX, DT, MS,
Morgan Stanley.
Retta,
I wish Sue was here yesterday.
ABEO,
Sue missed out on a great trade yesterday.
Plug,
Did she know which one it was?
GLXC, NNDL,
Oh, you know? Okay. I won't
Coin,
remind you then. I might as well. I called it out again today.
Snow, TGT,
Woo!
BCC,
Look at that perfect call on the
NLTX, TPET,
NDX.
Snow, Agio,
Right to the 200.
Roku,
Now, we're at support at the
SND.
61.8 here on the
RH.
Fibonacci
LGX,
on the SPX.
SRAD, GE,
Oh, well, thank you very much. Does that mean I'm the GOAT?
EBIX,
Still make me the GOAT?
RKT, SNTI, DT,
Oh, boy. It got awful quiet just now.
JPM,
See how quiet it got? So I'm
MLE,
going to walk
NDM,
into the kitchen, put on a little bit of deodorant.
Kazi,
I think my underarms needed after that trade. I'm drenching sweat.
NERV,
Phew.
CHTR,
Nothing worse than stock sweat.
BCC,
It has a different kind of
G,
smell to it. Does everybody agree with me? We're to the Cindy Triangle. Prepare ye in the name of the Lord.
PRST, IDAI,
This is the 4380 strike at a quad bottom with a higher low at $2.50.
NERV.
I waited for it.
NERV.
It's dead.
NERV. Retta. HYFM.
Same one. 4380 at 250.
HYFM. T.
Do you agree or disagree?
JEF. EBIX.
Right back in at 250.
Coin.
Oh no, hold on. Hold on to Papa.
Coin.
Oh, say, can you see?
SYK. W.
The crowd's going quiet here.
CVNA.
Jimmy's going quiet also.
T. Mu.
Now, how does this... How did I get 250 and these things are at 270? Boing.
JXJT.
We got a hammer. We got a hammer. Or a... Okay. It's going to get real tight right now.
CMT.
So far, I like how it looks.
VRM. CCL.
So far, I like how it looks.
NCLH. ZG. MHK. Mu. T.
The crowd is going wild here at the sports
Sophie.
arena.
MSFT. ATRO.
Blanket. Anybody take a chance on this trade, let me know. Forever hold your peace.
CHTR.
Randy?
WGS. CLEU. CLEU. TOVX.
Solars are flying.
AI. TOVX. TOVX.
Pal's talking again. We're at 270.
JEF.
This is a perfect setup.
ILMN. CLEU. EAPS. CLEU.
There we go.
UPST. CONL.
Never fear, Washboard Jim is
Coin.
here.
FNGU.
Look at that.
SQ.
Chicken train. We're going to take it all the way up here to 4370.
RBF.
Or at least take it to the 51.
JEF.
Yeah, that's better. See where we respected it here.
NCRA.
You could get out right now. You had plenty of time to buy this at 250.
CHTR. GE.
But I mean, don't chase it
ATR.
now. Unless it gets back down there again. But I need a second boost.
NVAX. Coin. T. ACTR.
We would appreciate it if Mr. Pow Pow would shut his mouth.
CNTG.
Okay, I'm gonna have to
CNTG. MSFT.
warn her.
AREB. ATRO.
Give me some water here.
IMUX. ACET. ACET. ACET.
I know they want to bring that /ES down to 4200.
NILS.
If I get a nice
CTS.
spike out of this, it's going to be a pretty ticket.
IMUX. NCRA.
And if I get a dip on it, it's going to be a good loss.
MSFT.
If you're in this
VRM.
trade with me, just think about the risk
VRMZDG.
with Pow Pow speaking right
VRM.
now. I'm just kind of hoping with these candles that I'm going to get a bounce. Because still getting the higher highs, higher lows.
MTW. Kazi.
Kathy, man. I had a crush on a Kathy once.
XPOF. BBIO. UPST.
Upstart.
CVNA.
I don't think it wants to do it.
WMB. 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 WILMN.
Somebody's going to try to short it here in a second.
IMUX.
If this thing don't bounce up real fast like. Somebody said, hell with it. We're going to bring it down.
MTW. Spot.
Still
MTW.
pushing my luck.
ACET.
Double bottom's holding so far.
Bill.
There it goes.
UK. UK. MTW. X.
Right here is the double bottom
WMB.
at $2. Now I'm at 225.
CNTG.
Just a little bit higher low, but that still don't make me happy.
MTW.
Not much of a higher low at all.
URI.
6 cents maybe.
CHTR.
So my average is 225.
X. CNTG AMD. CNTG CNTG WMB. PTON. GNRC. NCLH. NERV. ILMN. NERV. NERV. AMUX.
NERV.
NERV, 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 SRNERV, NERV, 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 LMT, NERV, 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 NERV.
NERV.
IEP. CCL. NCLH. PLTR. SEGTX.
Breakout.
Snow.
Well, you held double bottom here.
Now.
So I'm
ABNB.
shocked. And I added on at $2 and $2.50, so we're at $2.40 now.
NERV. NERV. NERVST. NERV. 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 SBAC. TSLA. RH. ENPH.
Go,
Swing.
baby!
NCLH. CCL.
Now's the time.
G.
There's your 51.
UPST.
So if you took this
TGT,
trade,
AFRM. RKT.
this is
SKLGN.
definitely a resistance level. If we break out, it's going to be a
SRAD.
nice ticket.
TSLA.
But it's a good exit idea right here at the 51 EMA. That's what we hit up here before.
X. AA. PLTR.
Break it. Let's get to the triple top.
Plug.
Counting that wick. Double knot.
Coin. Spot. Uber.
Coin.
PFE.
Jimmy alerted coin yesterday.
ILST. CGTX.
It was going to break the 300. Oh, there we go.
DKNG. SQ. AFRM.
Break it. Look at that. Oh my.
MNDY.
Mandy. Oh, Mandy. Give me another triple top exit.
MSTR. Plug. Coin.
There's
Alpha.
$3.
TWL.
I'm gonna get out right
OBN.
here. Now, triple top. 310.
FNGU. PLTR.
Here we
Shop.
come. Get ready.
Uber. Net. ABNB.
Right now.
TDOC.
There it is. Triple top. 350.
SQ. CM.
Woo!
GME. Roku. TSLA. JEF.
I would say that's a nail. Oh my gosh. Let's talk about making money.
DKNG.
Angie. Where do we
Hubs.
take it from here?
AFRM. Riley.
Perfect.
CRM. CONL. QS. ENPH. CUK. Mu. ABNB. Shop. TDOC. SQ. CM. Coin. Gooksel. NFLX. Net. CCL. AMC. GME.
My gosh, are we going
Yeah.
to take this to the 200?
Uber. PLTR. SRADH.
Not again.
JEF.
Oh my gosh. $4.
ILDII.
Okay, just take a deep breath and don't hyperventilate.
PFE.
420 time.
MNDY.
420.
Hive. TSLA. Alto. Alto. Alto.
Magnificent answer. May I have another grade?
Prim. ATAC. DKNG. Gooksel. Plug. CM. Mu. ATAC. AMC. ATAC. 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 NVAX. PYPL. ATAC. 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 UK. UK. IDAI. 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 ATOS. ATAC. Gooksel. UK. ATAC. ATAC.
Anybody take the
ATAC.
SPX with Bobo? That was a big paycheck.
QS. PGY. RDFN.
What do you
OESX.
think about that, Joseph?
Retta. Plug. OXLC. Z. PYPL. ZS. LMT. NVAX. AMC. Mu. ATAC. ATAC. Zen. TDOC. SYK. ABNB. TADAT. PGY. PGY. NCRA. RDFN. NCRA.
Angie. Oh yeah. La 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 la.
PLTR. NCRA, RDFN, CNTG, RDFN, NCRA, 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 PFE, CNTG, UK, UK.
That's how you do it.
LMT, CNTG,
Netflix.
HD, SEDG, CNTG,
It's definitely at a good
SBAC.
spot. Triple top break.
CNTG.
Here's a chart lesson for everybody. Triple top. Everything 3. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. So here's your pattern on Netflix on the 20-day 1 hour. And the only pattern I'm seeing right now is this triple top Darvis box breakout. Stair stepping. You had a pennant flag right here, and then you had a Darvis box with a kind of an upward wedge. Triple top. You could run your trend line like this. And you can stick that out to the right. There's your head and shoulders. And then you got, also you have in here a Darvis box with a triple top breakout with a triple bottom, quad bottom right here, and then you got your triple top 1, 2, and 3. So you got your triple top breakout, and she pulls right back to the triple top. So that's how you find your support level after a breakout. So you want to draw your trend line on the triple top. So this is Netflix. And that's where I'd set my alert, just right above that triple top Darvis box, because it held there in that position for about a week and a half. And then yesterday you'd have got triggered on that. And I don't know if I mentioned it yesterday or not, I probably did. Now you're back up at resistance levels. But that's a good way to set an alert. Pull back to the triple top and set your alert just a little bit above it. And that way you'll be prepared to take that trade, maybe. Because I would set that alert definitely like that, no matter what it was.
PH, ENPH, Googsol, NXT, CRWD,
The SPX just bounced off the 51 on the pullback.
Up.
Up, and away.
Up, GLB. CNTG, CRWD, AMD, SQNTG, ABNB, TSLA, CNTG, PLTR, PFE.
I had a real bad night just last night.
VRM, ABNB,
I woke up
URI,
and I said,
LMT,
so what day is it? I couldn't figure out what day it was. So I sat there and looked at it. And today's
ARNXT,
6:28.
ICOF,
So I sat there 10 minutes trying to figure out
ELF,
if I had to get up early and go to work,
US, ATEC,
or if it was an easy night, a Wednesday night.
SQ, Net,
And finally figured out, man, this is Wednesday,
Joey.
this is Tuesday
Joey.
night. I
Joey.
need to work. So I had to bust ass this last night because I thought the
PLTR.
days were off.
DKNG, GNRC, MSFD, ABNB, Team, TBT,
NVIDIA,
IFBD,
market doesn't give a crap what Pow Pow says.
GTWO,
It's greedy
RKT.
right now.
IFBD, PAYC,
$4 for these suckers.
UK,
Can you imagine that? I got 420. Had a
Trend,
nice little bounce right there.
ASAN, ACET, SQ, Net,
Called NDX out this morning, first thing out of the gate, at 1487338. Uno, dos, tres, there's your 3.
MISO,
Think about my strategy here.
DKNG, ISRG,
All you gotta do is remember
PFE,
3.
TBT,
Number
Mhm.
3.
MSDL,
1, 2, 3. Boom. Not always, but
PLTR.
man, as much as I've seen this year,
TSLA,
I've seen more triple bottoms this year than I've seen in 19 years of trading. And I look at charts every
TDOC.
day.
EWH,
I look at them every day. So I know what I see and what I don't see.
Net, ABNB, now, MSFT,
So here's your triple top.
ABNB, CONL,
Say you missed the trade.
SNAP, CELH, ACET,
Damn it, Jim, I missed that triple
ADSK.
bottom you called out on NDX. I said it's okay. Wait for it to pull back to the triple top. Once it pulls back to the triple top,
MU,
take it off the 200 SMA. You got a double confirmation
PFE.
right there to take that trade with the 9. Hell yeah.
CCL, CNTG, ACNTG, UPST, CRM, CNTG, ISRG, NCLH, AMD, ACT, AAPL,
Should have jumped in this first thing
TDOC,
this morning when I spotted it. And I just looked at the volume and I said,
QS,
I'd rather trade the SPX. And I did. And I'm not complaining. But damn, here we go again.
CS, DDOG,
SPX at the 200 SMA.
AMSFT,
Slap me senseless. Anybody want to slap me?
Mu, ENPH,
You see how she shut up when she hit the 200? She just shut her mouth.
PWP, SQ, TSLA, ACET, ACET, ACET,
Oh my
ACET,
gosh.
UPST,
Average of
LMT,
225 and it could have went to 480.
TDOC, CONL, ACET,
I haven't had my
ACET,
morning one hit or my coffee yet.
CNTG,
460. MA.
AFRM,
I'm not going to complain.
Coin, AAPL, QS, ZM, Sophie, Team,
Just go ahead and give it,
AAD,
make it 510. What? 520. I take that back.
ACET, ACET, NVDA, MSFT,
By the time I top it in, it'll be 540.
ABNB,
Might as well
DIOD,
pull that off. Why don't you make it 550, you son of a... Did I say that?
TOBX, CRWD, TSLA, Googsel, TOBX, Hubs, ALGN,
I'd have to walk away
PYPL,
for a second.
Snow,
Oh my gosh, look at the D8. Look at that.
CSCO, MS, PFE, Shop, Joby, CM,
We buy it support and sell it resistance.
TDOC,
Ain't that right, Sue? Say yes.
MSFT, RETA, ATOS, CWCO, SUPV, ATOS, ATOS, Coin, now, ATOS, ATOIC, CRWGRN, GNLW, ATOS, AMDLH, MS, SMCI, BATOS, CRWTOS, ATOS, ESTC, CRM, ISRG, Team, ZS, Joby, TDOC, Joby, GNLN, JOBNA, LILM, Net, Joby, DDOG, Roku, GNLN, AAPL, GNLN, Joby,
Oh my gosh!
CLTR,
MA.
NCLH, AHTR, PFE,
I can't believe you said that. A C minus?
CCL, CRM, DKNG,
Oh,
ZM,
that's hardcore.
INTC, MSFT, AMD, CRWD,
New highs.
BZH, 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 BZH,
It is kind of sad.
ATOS, ATOS,
Oh, you piece of
TSLA,
cow manure.
ATOH,
680 for these suckers now.
Joby, ATOS, UK, ATOS, Joby, OESX, Joby, BZH, PLTR, AAL, Nail, SEDG, BZH, AIXI, 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 ZM, Gooksel, TSLA, PFE, DKNG, NCLH, AMZN, SNAP, FND, RETA, PLTR, CELH, CRM, AAL, Roku, ATOS, ATOS, MS, mRNA, CCL, PFE, ZM, TSLA, COID, CONL, OXLC, SQ, ENPH, DKNG, OESX, Riley, NCLH, XOM, Cost, F, BZH, KMX, CHTR, UPST, AAPL, AMKR, ASAN, CRM, QS, AAL, ZM, Mu, RMBS, Gooksel, TGOC, NCLH, ENPH,
Not a bad
RKT,
day. Not a bad day.
TSLA, MS, Net, Hood, LMT, CRM, BZH,
Not a bad day.
RCAT, RCAT, XOM.
Good job.
Mu.
Oh, I guess you're right. We sold them a little bit too soon.
Cold. HD. TSLA. RDFN. LUXH. LSCC. Net. Team. RDFN. RDFN. NCLH. RDFN. RDFN. BLD. GNS. GNS. LMT. RDFN. NFLX. RDFN. ADFN. ACET. CELH. HD. Cost. BAC. EDSA. TOBX. NCLH. NVDA AMD. RDFN. HD. LUXH. ACLS. Shop. RDFN. Goodsell. Net. PYPL. CELH. SRAD. RDFN. HD. NVDA. Shop. AMD. Goodsell. Net. Goodsell. Coin. AAPL. NCLH. IMUX, SLB, LILM, BLD, MDGL, Shop, AAPL, GNRC, RCL, CCL, Googsel, SMCI, MSFT, Cost, IMUX, Coin, Retta, XOM, SLV,
Oh, that was supposed to be the
TDLC.
EMA. I typed that in wrong.
Retta,
Give me
ENVX,
fix.
Mu, CNTG, 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 PWP, ACET, Googsel, MSFT, CNTG, JID, CNTG, CCLH, NCLH, URI, IGT,
JG, what?
Retta, CNTG, 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 IHTR, CNTG, GNRC, BMY, GIs, Spot, Cold, Boil, AAPL, ABBV, KHC, MSFT, ENVX, MDGL, CNTG, 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 SLB, ABNB,
Airbnb new high. And we're right back.
ENVX, BMY, NFLX HD. iCough. Roku. CELH. ENVX, AMD. Spot. U. CPNG. BMY. OPAD. Now. NFLX, OPAD. BXMT. AVGO. Black. INTC. AMAT. AAPL. F. CDL.
That's
BTLXC.
beautiful.
SMCI. NFLX. GLXC. CMTL. CNTG. ACET. CNTG. CNTG. TLT. CNTG. BXP. BTI. SYK. HD. ACET. CPNG. UAL. VVPR.
So the scanner's slowed down quite a bit here.
CPNG. ACET. TOVX. TSCOF.
You see where Apple's support is on here? Not Apple, but Tesla.
HD.
I talked about it a little bit earlier on another chart.
CCL. Joby. Joby.
Just right in here is flag. This flag, watch this. I mean, I'm bullish, definitely bullish on Tesla right now.
Joby. Joby.
There's your triple top break. You can extend that to the right.
Joby.
Then you got this here. Also, you want to go ahead and draw a trend line on that.
BAC.
And that
Joby.
completes your pennant flag.
ENVX. C.
So somewhere in here is your solid support. So what you want to do is go in your flag here. Is your pennant
ATL.
flag, and look for your pivot point.
MSFT.
And there's your pivot point right on the top of this here flag pole.
Joby. XOM.
That's
Joby.
your flag pole
Joby.
right there. See, resistance, 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 support, 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 support,
NFLX.
support, support, resistance, resistance, support, 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 support.
Joby.
So this bottom trend line, that triple top breakout off the pennant flag is going to be your support area. So we're going to put an
TSCO.
alert
WMT.
straight across this triple top. So this will be your first support at 255.81. So that's where you want to put your alert, right on the bottom of this hump, right there.
HD.
Where's my-
JPF. C.
Oh, we just,
XOM.
what did we do?
Oxy.
Oh, it didn't trigger.
Joby. Joby.
Put it at the mark at below. So right now you're at a support level because you're
Joby.
bouncing off
Joby.
this 65.
Joby. Joby.
That's a 65 EMA. But we're going to wait for this to
IMUX.
trigger and take it off this triple top.
Toy.
So I'm going to have Tesla ready.
TSCO.
How many do you
TLT.
still have up? I don't need 3 of them.
TBT. DXCM.
So we got the 260 strike, which is just 2 notches out of the money. and it's got 85,000, 84,000 in contracts.
XOM. CNTG. WMT. Oxy.
I want to see if this 9 has any
CAYC.
bearing. I know when 9 crosses the 21, that's bearish.
BXMT.
Now we're hitting the 50.
C. JPM.
I want to see if it can push it down one more notch.
IMUX. TBT.
There's something about Blink too in the news.
ACET.
So I got my alerts set. I'm going to move on to something else here. I've got also the call I'm going to be looking at. It's a 4380.
Heal.
And that's going to be the weekly. Oh shit, I'm looking at, never mind.
XOM.
Here I go again.
Oxy.
Look at the 4380 on Tesla.
WMT.
That makes a lot of sense. Okay, let's get back on track here. I was looking at the
SLB.
SPX.
CNTG. CNTG.
The 260.
RGEN.
Yeah, that's what I said earlier.
CNTG and CNTG.
I got off track for a second. Got looking at the wrong program.
SRAD.
Okay, first thing I got to do is get that water off. Second thing I got to do is get this call ready.
SIGT. SICP. C. ACET. IVVD.
So I got my order ready on my computer here for my platform. The 260 strike for the weekly scalp. If this thing
URI,
pulls back and hits a
BXMT.
double bottom right here, maybe hits this triple top. So somewhere in here
FSLR.
where I want it to go.
SEDHSY. IOLR. MSTR. XOM. JEF. IGT. Oxy. AAPL. ENVX. IONQ. Race. GMH. JEF. BXMT. IONQ. CNTG. XOM. CNTG. 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 Oxy. Cores. HSY. CNTG.
It's weird. I can go to this NDX and it's one heck.
JEF.
It's the slowest chart. And I really wonder if there's what they're doing here.
IMUX.
I'm going to set an alert right down here off this here 14962, and I'm thinking about puts.
IONQ. AAPL. GME.
I nailed that bottom. Perfect. This in here alone, I think, can really make you filthy rich.
MEOH.
If you can get in it.
BXMT. MTH.
The NDX.
CNTG. 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 CNTG.
Okay. Where did you go? Drop like snow.
CNTG. CNTG. CNTG.
Okay, so if I was looking at a put, there's just,
IMUX.
the volume on these suck.
AAPL. GME. BXMT. IMUX. IMUX. HKIT.
Would be the 14850
IMUX.
at $3. Now it's at 350 on that knife.
RGEN.
It's 360. If it drops all the way down here, this is a paper trade. I didn't take it,
OPAD.
but I called it out. This is a 14,850 strike. And in 3 minutes, this thing's up $70.
OPAD. OPAD.
I think it's going to drop all the way down here. You watch. This is something I got to talk about too. How I learned when I first started trading. And I just now realized, if you've been watching me for a while, if I come across a new ticker, I'll paper trade it, learn how it works, watch its pattern.
OPAD. OPAD.
And then I'll start trading it.
OPAD.
But then, you know, many people just jump into a trade here. I mean, this thing's already 430 now from $3.
C. HD. M. Joby. SHW, RGEN. Yuko. Joby. XOM. Joby. TRKA. Joby. TRKA. TRKA. Kazi. HKIT. ALZN. ALZN. MTH. URI. Joby. CDIO. CDIO. Kazi. Kazi.
Just got an alert. Tesla just hit my mark. Tesla. Watch Tesla here. Tesla just hit my mark. Charted this up, this support
Excellent.
level.
Yuko.
So look at the put. Where's my? Or the call.
BAOS.
260 strike.
CTLT.
Pivot point. Remember the pivot point? I talked about the pivot point. So you could start a trade here, but let's.
Vici. M. DVN. I cough. I cough.
I cough. She
Yuko.
coughs.
XOM. Joby. Oxy. MTH. MRO. MTLK. IMUX. Yuko. ALGN. Hubs.
Oh, I'd love to see one more knife on this
TVN. XOM. ISRG.
instead of breakout here. I didn't jump in at $3. I could have got 3, and now we're at 325.
Joby. Joby.
Looks like they're buying it up.
Joby.
I like watching the tape. Gives me some kind of anchor in what's going on.
Joby. 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 Joby.
Joby.
Joby. Joby. Joby. Joby. Joby. Joby. mRNA. Joby. 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 IONQ. LILM. BHP. SETLT. IMUX. Oxy.
Okay.
MRO. IMUX. IMUX. MTEK. MTEK. IMUX. IMUX. IMUX.
I am US.
MTEK. XOM. IMUX. CELH. DVN. Joby. 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 MRAI. 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 RGTI. Joby. 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 MRAI. LIRAI. MRAI. IONQ. MRO. NCLH. Oxy. NCLH. CCL. He's.
Please.
DVX. Joby.
Joby.
SRPT. MSTR.
Hey, Joby.
Joby.
Nailed the reversal on the SPX.
BHP.
Off this here ascending triangle trend line. Boom. Back to a double top now. And we're waiting for this one here. Tesla. And NDX. I got an alert for 14962.43, which is the top of that channel. Top of this channel right here. And I've got so many reasons that it should pull back there.
DVN. Oxy. IONQ. VG. mRNA. Lack. UK.
Drop.
LGBN,
1496243.
SUPV,
Coming to you and me.
CLH.
ABC 123. Yeah.
CTLT,
And we're looking at the I was looking at the 14850 put
LGBN,
at $3. Now it's at $3.90. And that's the $14,850
LUXH,
put.
LUXH, ELF,
Okay. Still waiting. Uh-oh.
Cost.
SPX. SPX.
Itchy,
Alert. Red alert. Red alert. Not good enough yet.
CTLT,
Just got this inverted head and shoulders right here.
CNTG, CNTG,
Oh, just got triggered. Hey, it's getting juicy now. My
VIRT.
NDX just got alerted. Come on, get back on track. Boom, off the
Tracks.
200 SMA.
Black,
Off the 200 SMA. Let's see how it works off this in here.
VTEX, 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 IONQ, RVTY, Oxy, TOVX, mRNA,
Dang it, puts went to 520.
VIRT, CCI, Cold, CHTR, IONQ, VTEX,
So you got the 15, the 15,100.
LUXH, VTEX, mRNA, LUXH, 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 CCI, cost, CCI,
So we'll see how this bounces if it holds up the 200 here. We got the NDX calls Lotto Strike
CNTG.
15,100 at $3
IRTC,
with a tight stop. I waited for it to pull back to the top of that trend line.
CNTG, ADVM, CNTG,
I got one.
mRNA, Now. LUXH. Den. CNTG. CCI.
Did you see that?
LMT. Logi. NCLHU. Cost.
We're $100 now.
UPST. mRNA. VIRT. NNBC. AMD. HSY. MDGR. GROV. ENVX. NCLH. ALGS.
Things at 470,
CCL.
480. Now this is an exit idea. You got a triple top, right?
ENVX.
Everything's in threes. If you want to make profit and have a real good,
ADVM.
a real
mRNA.
good record,
AMD.
and you want to guarantee an out, that would be your exit, triple top. Your guarantee, 95% of the time you're a
MSFT.
winner. If you exit at a resistance.
CTLT. MDGL.
So now I'm still in it, but I'm just saying. Now I might get out, but now we're above the 51. So this is very bullish to me. Does anybody write any of these moving averages down?
SEN.
So we got this at 3 and we're at 580 right now
ENVX.
in a matter of 6 minutes, 7 minutes. And we took it off the 200 SMA with a double confirmation of a vertical snake
mRNA.
off of a
CCL.
triple bottom, triple high, triple out, breakout resistance,
Cost.
where it came back and found support off that triple top, and then boom, pulled right back to it with a confirmation of the 200 SMA.
MDGL.
Now I've used the moving averages as an exit idea. I got a double top right here. Now am I going to ask myself, are we going to just have a higher low, a lower high, and then hold back like we had a lower low here? Is this an exit idea? Is what I asked myself. So I got to test. I got to draw a trend line from this here resistance here to that one. And I've
NXT.
already done it. So I don't know what I'm thinking.
AMD.
We'll extend that out to the right. We haven't quite made a double top yet, but we're still above that 51, so I want to stay in it. As long as I stay above the 9,
mRNA.
I'll stay in the trade. If we break the 50 SMA,
MDGL.
I mean, that's a huge catalyst to the upside. And actually, I mean, I don't know.
VG.
I think I'd try to sell my contract and get out of it.
SAN. CCL. IONQ.
Okay, get ready to exit. I'm going to call it an exit at a double top right here. A double top with a confirmation of the 50 SMA. And I'm going to sell it at the market.
BHP. mRNA. HSY.
Okay, here we go. One more. One little spurt is. One little
MDGL,
spurge right
car.
there. 100% gain right there.
NCLH.
From 3 to 320. I mean 620.
DEC. ALGS. IONQ.
Oh man.
KSCP. BOF. BOF. Cost. BOF. BOF. MRAI. RCLH. NCLH. BOF. BHP. Alto. BOF. MDGL. ESNT. IONQ. Alto. ODFL. CCL.
So-
RCLH. NCLH.
I'm going to explain something here. This is the first trade that,
GPOR.
this is the first strategy that I ever took, I ever learned when it come to trading, and that was to use the 200 SMA and the 50 SMA. So back in the old days, this was the first strategy that I ever had on, besides looking for resistance levels on trend lines and extended patterns, but this was the first trade that I ever made, was taking the 200 and running it up to the 50 or vice versa, taking the 50 and running it up to the 200 on the moving average. And there used to be just a few ways that I'd trade this, and that would be with the golden cross. That's when the 50 crosses above the 200. As long as that stayed above the 200 and we stayed above the 50, I'd keep swinging that trade on the daily time frame. Now if the 200 crossed down over the 50, or the 50 crossed down over the 200 the other way, I'd buy a put, or I'd look at it as a negative. That'd be a death cross. You have a golden cross when it crosses up, and a death cross when the 50 crosses down. And I'd use that same time frame on a minute. For example, I've got the 50 right here, and once that 50 started crossing, it'd be way too late, definitely on this trade here. But I forgot how I used it. I have to come back and look at it. It always seemed like it was a late runner, but here it scalped perfect. These things are up more now. $7.90 for these suckers from $3. $8.10. Oh man. Go up there and make some coffee. Go do an errand.
RCL. VTI. CTLT NCLH. GME. CCL.
CCL. Broke resistance.
RCL.
$18 price target by Citigroup. Buy. They have a buy. I think these ships are well managed and stuff. I know they did a lot of expanding during the COVID. But the more I watch it, the less I want to go on one. I don't want to be bunched up Well, I'm on
AEP,
vacation.
ODFL, NNOX,
Being too close to nasty
GME.
people. We nailed this support off the SPX.
CPNG,
What are you talking about, Fred? Here we go again. I mean, look at this. Okay? Just look at this here. You're sitting here watching it.
MRNA,
You had these 3 white soldiers come in, and then you had the sell off. Reversal hammer. Then you go with 3 white soldiers right at support. So you got your 3 white soldiers with a hammer right off this here trend line, which was off of that inverted head and shoulders.
AMD,
Inverse head and shoulders.
SIM,
So that's that trend line right there. So you got your 3 black crows with a hammer, and then boom. And I called that out. I said, get ready. Now you got a new high, and you're getting up here to the double top resistance.
VG, CTLT, RCL, CCL, NFLX,
Same with Tesla.
H.
When I called out Tesla, we were up here at the high, right about in here. Called the reversal on Tesla. And I said, we're going to go down lower. We're going to go down lower. And look where we went. We bounced right off that trend line.
ODFL,
Right off, almost off that pivot point. And then boom.
AMD,
Triple top break. Quad top break. Not too bad. In fact, it would have been perfect probably. Tesla is about to deliver a record performance in China.
CPNG,
That's what I'm hearing. Now, I just read it here. This is big news, and you're first to hear it.
CTLT, GE, DVN, ODFL, MRO, NFLX, CPNG, BIIB, MDGL, AEP, CTLT,